Hey guys, so I was looking for you on how you can possibly like skip the ads on YouTube Smart TV. And if you have, for example, Samsung Smart TV, so the problem is that there isn't really good way on how we can install applications or anything that could help you blocking the ads, right? So someone wrote here, this guy, that buy the cheapest Fire Stick available, follow this guide to install an app called Smart Tube next. So you want to download the Smart Tube and then ignore the section about the VPN, it's just advertising, and enjoy the ad for YouTube. So this is something that you can do. And even someone wrote here that I have the Fire Stick Lite on my TVs and that thing is super slow and laggy. Compared to 4K, one that's another TV difference is responsiveness and 90 days. So maybe like even the 4K Fire Stick could help you. And someone wrote here is that so they recently just got rid of the streaming and have plans to remove more apps. Get an Android box, preferably a Shield TV or Chromecast with Google TV, and install Smart Tube next. So this is something that you can do. Get a TV stick. So the TV stick is the way. So hope this video helped you, and have a great day and goodbye.